Well, that's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. If you can call oil beautiful. But this particular kit is a motorcycle storehouse kit. And this will do Softail and Dyna, 99 to 17. Okay. You got 3 litres of oil here. You've got a filter, available chrome or black as this one is. New O-ring plug, you know, for your oil bung. Okay. You get a detailing wipe if you want to clean it after. But you also get a good quality filter. I believe these are made by MGOs, okay, which again are good quality. Euro the oil, very good oil, okay, made in Europe, again ideal for this country, you know, in the colder weather we get here, okay. The whole lot comes in a box. Now all you need on top of that is a primary oil. If you buy the synthetic kits that we also do chrome filters, by the way, you can use the fully synthetic primary oil in the tranny, okay. So, you know, that is a good option you've got. This particular one, it's 3 litres, okay. The fully synthetics come with 4, and we do a 4 litre one of these as well. This is mineral oil, so it's ideal for the older bikes that done a lot of miles. If you start sticking fully synthetic oil in some of these later early bikes, you know, it can actually cause a lot of damage. But you'll see the other sort of oils we do in here. Okay, we've got basically lots of other options as well. We've got Butylene fully synthetic primary. We've got Drag Specialties fully synthetic motor. We've got the V-Spec, which again is like in the kits. That's the mineral. Wagner's 2050. We've got Premium 1040. We've got synthetic. You know, this is Victory oil, Indian oil, synthetic oil. Bel-Ray for Sportsters, especially for Sportsters. This is nothing else, okay. Then we've got Syn 3, that's your Harley. We've got this very, very good synthetic S&S 75-140, that's fully synthetic for the trannies. When you stick a big S&S motor, you need a lot more protection because of the extra power. .5 silicon, .4, which you use in all the jack bikes, but personally I convert everything to .5 because it's a silicon oil and won't take all your paint off. Here's your primary oil. Here's another fully synthetic Spectro Golden, okay, Spectro American oil, fully synthetic 6-speed oil again. We've got the Wagner's 2050. That's actually got no additives at all. That's for the really old bikes, okay. Then we've got the Thumper and the Mineral V Twin oil here, 2050 4-stroke, okay. Carb cleaners. We've got Road Twin. This is a very good oil from Motul, very good price, 45 quid for fully synthetic, ester based as well. We've got your off-road 1060. KTM Race Team uses iPone, which is also very good. Thrash the knackers off the bike, it won't blow up. 1040 Wagner's, that's a premium mineral. Okay, we've got the 2-stroke for the old 2-strokes, and we've got the TT for cleaning everything. Also, we've got the lead additives, we've got silicon seal, we've got ceramic lube, which is very good for your cables. Very, very good, okay. Felgen wax is rim wax, which is what you use in the winter on your wheels to stop them rusting. You know, in Germany, obviously, you ride them all year. Fuel stabilizer stops this horrible ethanol stuff going off. The bug shifter gets rid of dead bugs. 2-stroke, again, super duper 2-stroke. That's your premix. Okay, we've got Haid. That's a held jacket reproofer for Gore-Tex and washing. We've got diesel additive, and we've also got, again, lead-free there. Okay. But anything you need for your bike, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.